Yes, sir, YouTube. It's your guy back at you with another unboxing. But this time, the unboxing we got for y'all today is not car audio related. It is audio related, though. So, without further ado, what we got for YouTube today is the wireless Bluetooth Beanie Hat, man. Yes, sir. A wireless Bluetooth Beanie Hat. So let's jump right in, man. On the box, see we got volume addition and subtraction, listen to music, incoming calls, voice chat, comfort and warmth. Yes, sir, the beanie hat. Good air permeability. Wireless music hat includes one beanie, Bluetooth earphones, instructions, charge cable. Product specifications: charging time approximately 2 hours, Bluetooth talk time approximately 6 to 8 hours, Bluetooth music time approximately 6 to 8 hours at 70% volume or lower. Power play stop off from one button, volume up and next plus button, volume down and previous the negative button. And they give you a little diagram of what it looked like on the hat. So, let's see the hat. As you can see, it came in a box in plastic. With the little instruction sheet and the hat. Yes, sir. And as y'all can see, we get back to the spec sheet. The hat, it's nice. That's the power play stop button, the negative and the positive, just as described on the box. The hat itself, double line. Let's see if we can flip it inside out and show y'all. Everything is sewed in, stitched in real good.